Hello, everybody. This is my final presentation for English General 2 course. Um, in this case, I tell you about my favorite person. This is in imagines for my favorite person. My favorite person is Joel. He is my son. His name is Joel. He is 10 years old. Um, for me, he's very young. He's my baby. He has short, wavy, and black hair. Um, Yesterday, in this moment, today, he is bald. I don't know, but he's bald. Her eyes are roundish black, and he is thin. Joel is very funny and intelligent boy. In this moment, he got at the school. My son is my partner, my friend is all in my base, very special. It's very special for me, yes. In this moment, I sometimes I don't know how for time for my song, but I try tell. I love him every day. In this moment, I have fine question for him. One, what is your favorite activity?
Okay, hello for everyone. And my favorite activity or hobby is play Xbox. Yes, I mean that is so common, but I like it so much. But I also like basketball and football. And the music, I also like the music.
Okay.
Yes.
Second question. What is the sights most beautiful for you?
I mean is Cataratas of Iguazu because it is so beautiful, it is so special, it is so big. Okay, I'm really don't have words to describe it because it's an experience so intense and beautiful. I don't have any word to describe it.
Sometimes you are foolish, Joel. Why?
That's a difficult question for answer, but I mean is because I don't know. I don't have the control. I'm stressed a lot of. I'm. I don't know. I lose the control so much.
I, um, I love you, baby. What is your favorite food?
Okay, my favorite food is so common is the burger. I mean is the favorite food for most people, but it's so good. I can't I can't tell anymore. It's so it's so beautiful. I like it a lot of. Okay, I don't know.
Right. Finish question. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor, a surgeon. I also want to be a scientist and an engineer. I want to change the world in lot of um in a lot of ways. Okay, no
Okay,
more.
no more. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.